How to fix my Disney Experience app not working. Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna see how you can fix this problem. So if your My Disney World Experience app is not working, in that case you are first gonna have to check your internet connection. Then you can just go ahead and open Play Store, and here you can search for My Disney World or My Disney Experience, and you can just go ahead and search for it. And once you find the application, you can just go ahead and check if the app is up to date or not. If you see an update button here instead of open, just update the app. Then what you're going to have to do is long press on the app and tap on the I button to go to app info. And once you are here, just go to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed for the app to run smoothly, and you can then go back. Scroll down here until you find storage. You're gonna have to try to clear cache first, and then you can try to clear data as well. So it will completely refresh the app. And finally, you can just go ahead and force stop the app. And if there's something running on the background, it will completely stop that. And if that was causing the issue, your problem should be solved. These are some of the ways that you can do to fix your Disney app not working. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.